Welcome to Free AI and Video Studio.
Right now, many people are looking for a way to generate the viral baby dance video for free. But the truth is that not all apps will give you this feature completely for free. In most cases, what you get is a free trial, and that's exactly what we'll be using. In this video, I'll show you how to create a baby dance video step by step. I'll clearly explain what's free and what requires a trial. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything in a simple and easy way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own baby dance video that'll be perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So let's get started and create a viral baby dance video using CapCut.
We are going to write the description of how we want our baby to be and then send it to ChatGPT. Then we just fold our arms and see the magic happen because ChatGPT is going to do the work for us. We can tell ChatGPT to generate the image for us, then download it if we are okay. Or we can use other alternatives like Nano Banana. We just copy our prompt, go to Nano Banana or anyone you use. Click on create image, paste your prompt and then send it. Then you wait for some seconds for the image to be ready. You can see our image for Nano Banana, the second one for ChatGPT, so you choose one. Now we are going to the Play Store to get our CapCut. So you search for CapCut and install it on your device. After installing, we open our CapCut and this is how the interface is supposed to look like. Make sure that you did not use APK. You download it directly from the Play Store or App Store. Click on new video and it will take you to where you are going to select your image. We wait for it to upload to our editing area. Then you choose aspect ratio. We have YouTube format which gives us 16:9. Also we have TikTok format which is 9:16. So you choose the one you want to use and adjust. And click on AI avatar and mimic motion. It will take you to where you are going to select your image. After selecting the image, you upload the video which you want your avatar to mimic. You select the exact video that you want your character to mimic, then give it some in order for us to get this our video done. Click generate and wait for some seconds for our video to be ready. Then you click on the first image and delete it. You can see that after finishing your first trial, you will require 14 credits in order to generate another video. So what you'll do is click on credit balance and it will take you to this place where you add your debit card. For 1,500 Naira, you will be given 149 credits, which you can use to generate 10 videos.
If this helped, like the video, follow Free AI and Video Studio, and join my WhatsApp group from the link in the description if you need help.